Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we want to solve problem from the platform Neetcode, and we want to focus Valid Palindrome. So this is my channel and I just start this playlist to solve a problem, focus on data structure and the algorithms. So it's a pleasure to support me and make like and subscribe for this video. So first, the problem of valid palindrome that's given an array, a string, and it returns true if the I can read from left to right. Also, if I want to read from right to left, it's the same. But something you should know: the string can contain character like question mark, like arrow bars. So this character, if we see, we want to skip and start from the next character. So in this case, we want to read from right, start with W. Okay, so this is true, but the second case is false. Why? Because tab is cut, and here we want to read from the right. So TA, C, and here B. So C and B is not the same character. So this is why return false. So let's simplify here. So this is our example. Now the palindrome that I can read from right, from left, is the same to read from the right. So for example, here was, here was. So as you can see, but if we have any character, we skip and we start from the next character. So this is problem. What I'm thinking is to use the 2 pointers pattern. So I have index here and I have another index here, and compare each character. For example, W equal to W. If equal, so I move to the next character. Okay, and here the next is A. So if A equal to A, I move to the also the next character until, for example, in this case, the next case, B not equal to C. So if the character B not equal to C, I return false. So let's implement this in code. So I have string. So as to apply the 2 pointers pattern, we want to define the index left and right. So print left equal to 0 and then right equal to the string -1. So this is the first index equal to 0, and let's suppose that the length of this character, for example, for this string, for example, let's suppose is 16. So the index of W is 15, because 16 minus 1 is 50. So 50. Now we may see the column, and here I will start my loop, right? So we want to apply normal 2 pointers pattern. So y left smaller than right. Now what I want to so I want to make condition if the character to start from left, so this first character because the left here, sorry, s, so the first character not equal to second character, I will stop and return false. Okay, return false, and the function by default return true. So here the function return true, and also I want to each step the left will increase and the right will decrease. So we want to go like this way. So here the left will be 1, after will be 2, after will be 3. Okay, and the right decrease. So here, for example, right is 15, 14, and 13. So the left will increase and the right will decrease. Okay, so until now all thing is good. Let's run it. So here it return accepted for the second case and the first case not accepted. Why? Because we have the other character that not support to compare with the character of string. So we want to skip and start the to compare and start our 2 pointers from next character. So this is character. So this is not alphabet or number. So what? We want to make another loop. Why? I think in C++, so keep it same. And here, so in C++, I think is something called alpha, I think. So alpha num in C++. Yes. So this is check if the character is alphanumeric that contain just letter or digit. So is alpha, and let's check the string. So if not equal to alpha numeric, here we return no, will not return, but will skip and start from the next character. Okay, so here what here, so if we want to start from the left character, so s dot sorry, not dot but right, and so here, okay, so equal and not just is. Okay, so left to keep in the same condition is alphanumeric. So if it is not alphanumeric, so here we want to skip and start from the next. So the right can decrease. Okay, so the right can decrease. So we want to, as I, for example, here we have so. So what we want to, if the character contain this, not alphabet or not digit, not number, so we want to skip and start from this, sorry, and start from this character. So our pointer, right, in this case, start from the next character. And if the, for example, the character start from the left, here the left, so here the right will be decreased. So here, for example, it will be 15, then now it will be 14. But if the character not digit or not number, sorry, not alphabet, so here the left will be moved to the second character. So we want to start from this. Now the left, it will be decreased. So let's go, and we want to go with the second case, that the character of so not digit or not alphabet will be in the start of the string. Here the left we want to increase and start from the next character. Okay, so we have not equal, and we make our condition not equal. So let's run it. So what is the problem here? While is not right minus left plus plus return. Okay, let's make this on the first. So f not equal to s, right? Okay, so return true. So if the left s dot right, okay, so left plus plus, what is the problem here? So that so if the, for example, the first character or the second or the last character not alphabet or number, so I will minus. False, why? What is the problem? Y left smaller than right, okay, and Y left smaller than right. plus plus right. Okay, so what is the problem here? Left. Okay, I understand. The problem here is that what? That we compare without uh, change to lower because uh, for example this is equal to this the same, but this is upper case and this is lower case. It's the same it's the same value, but in C++, so this is different, not the same. So uh, you should to convert to lowercase that you can compare. So why it's the same value? So here I want to convert to lower, and this the value also to lower. Let's running. Now it accepted. So the problem was that I don't convert to lower because I just forget this function or this things that the same value, but you can't compare until uh, you convert to lowercase. So what if make the same type or the same type of characters, for example upper to upper, and the same also. So we want change to upper or to lower, but the same type of character. So let's submit this. So this is the solution of the valid palindrome.